Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate BP where we talk about everything and all about WordPress. So in this video, we're going to talk how to create and apply coupons for your WooCommerce website. Well, coupons are a great way to attract new customers and get loyal ones to come back for more. So WooCommerce includes simple yet powerful coupon functionalities that fit most of the stores. So let's get into the video. So here I have my website. This is a sample website as you can see. So I'm just going to add few products into the cart. I'm adding this, I'm adding this one, I'm adding this one, and I'm adding a few more products. So let's go to the cart page. And as you can see, there is no coupon application center like where you can apply the coupon. There's no option for that. So let's see how we can add those coupons and create a coupon codes for your customers. Let's go. Here is this is my admin page. Let's go to the dashboard. This is my dashboard. You need to click on the WooCommerce and then to the settings. Go to the settings. When this opens, you go down and here is in the down part you can see that enable coupon is not enabled. You need to check on this and see that your coupon is working. Like you need to save this from here and let's go and check. Let's refresh the page and now you can see the coupon adding part. So that's it. So let's see how we can add those coupons for your customers. Right here, the WooCommerce section itself, you can see coupons. So now this is under the marketing part also, but you can uh, do this from elsewhere. So let's go now add coupons from this section. So let's say we are adding the coupon for the new customers, those who are new to your website, they get to add a coupon. And let's say new caps is better always. New 50. Here I have applied the coupon and the description I'm going to add. This description is not visible for anyone else. It's just for your convenience. I'm going to add new customer. It's just for your knowledge. That's it. So now you have to choose how the discount is to be applied. So here they have percentage discount, fixed card discount, and fixed product discount. Well, percentage discount applies a percentage discount to the entire cart. Let's say this is percentage, then the 50 percentage is applied to your customers. All right. Let's write the coupon amount. Like if the 50% is applied, then you need to set a minimum amount. If they are buying 1,000 rupees and after applying the code, if they are reducing to 500, then it's not a good deal. So you need to set a minimum amount for your customers. Let's say I'm adding a 50. Okay, then if the coupon is applied, then a 50 rupees will be reduced from the account. Right. So you can also set when the coupon expiry should be done. So in this case, let's say new customers like you want to give to everyone. So let's add this and just publish. All right. I've just clicked the publish. Now after this, let's go to the website and refresh this. Let's add. Let's add new 50. Sorry. Okay. Like coupon. You can see that a 50% of the coupon, rupees have been reduced. You can see 50% is reduced and 71 rupees, which is the half of the coupon has been reduced. Now let's see how can we provide a discount of 50 rupees. Like this is a 50 percentage. Now let's go to 50 rupees. All right. Uh, for this you have to check on the fixed card discount. All right. Then 50. I'm adding 50 rupees, and that's not important right now. All right. So I've just updated, and now we are going to refresh this page once again. We have added the same coupon. Now it's here. The 50 rupees is reduced in this case, as you can see. All right. So that's how you add coupons for percentage discount and fixed price. Now, if you want to add like for a particular product, in this case, I have a 20 rupees product, I have 42 rupees product. In this case, if you want to reduce a fixed amount for each one of this product, then you have to click on the third option, which is fixed product discount. I'm adding 10 rupees discount for each of the products. All right, then you have to click on the update. Let's refresh the page again, and now you can see that the 40 rupees is discount. They have reduced a 10 rupee from here, from 10 rupee from here, from 10 and 10, then that gives a total of 40 rupees. All right, that's now let's move on to another side where you want to limit the customers. Let's say we are looking for a sale of sale 200. We are going to give a fixed amount, which is a 50 rupees discount for first 200 customers. In that case, we are going to fix a cart amount, and this is a limited time period. I'm going to set it to 1 month from now. So next you have to click on the usage restriction. So you have to set how many rupees that you want to spend on minimum. Like there should be spending some minimum amount to avail this discount. Let's keep it 100, and maximum spend is not important. I think you can set if you want to. And next, if you want to add exclude some items, you can click on that here. If you want to add products, like for that particular product this discount is applicable, then you should add those products. If you want to exclude some products like sale products, that should be like those things should be given here. All right. Now for another thing, we have limiting it to 200 users. And let's go to the usage limit. Usage per coupon. This coupon is valid for 200 customers. So let's click on 200, and let's limit one per user. You don't want many users to having this coupon. So let's limit to one, and you click on update. Now let's see. All right. Now let's refresh the page once again and apply our coupon, which is sale 200. Apply the coupon, and you can see there is a coupon discount of 10 rupees because we have given that amount in the page, like fixed amount part. We have given the 10 rupee discount. Alright, if you want to increase it, you can increase it in that case. This way, you can add your coupon code successfully for your customers. Coupons are great way to attract customers, and WooCommerce does it more extensively. So that's it. That's all about adding coupons. We'll be back with another video. Bye.